Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. So, let me introduce myself. I am Srinivaslu, teaching IIT JEE for classes 11th and 12th along with basic mathematics for beginners. So, my intention is to make everyone learn mathematics. Why? Because so many members will be having fear of learning mathematics. Yes, if you ask anybody, out of 10 members, at least 8 members will say that they have difficulty in learning mathematics. That's why, to make everyone learn at least some basics in mathematics, I have started this channel and I am getting good response, and I hope the same response will be continued. And thank you very much. With your support only, I am running the channel successfully. So, let us go to our topic. So, in our topic today, let us learn about integrals of trigonometric functions. So, already we have discussed some types of integration, that is integration by substitution, integration by parts, and also integration by partial fractions. All those concepts are very important and very easy. If you watch my video, then you will understand every concept. I have explained every concept with example clearly. So go through all my videos, don't miss any video. And I hope you are excited for today's class. So without any delay, let's get started. So let's start our today's class with integral of trigonometric functions. So how to solve the questions related to trigonometric functions. So here also same like previous, integration by parts. We have here also integration of trigonometric functions. We have some types. So here let us start with type 1. So in type 1, the question may be like this: integral of dx by a plus b sin square x, or integral of dx by a plus b cos square x, or integral of dx by a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c sin x cos x. Okay, or last but not least, integral dx by a sin x plus b cos x whole square. Okay, so whenever we see any question of this type, then we have to take this as type 1. Yes, in this type 1, how to solve when we see the questions like this? What we need to do means very simple. We need to do a simple logic we have to apply here, that is multiply both numerator and denominator, okay, by either secant square x or cosecant square x, and proceed. Understood? So what we have to do when we see any question of this type or this type or this type, then we have to do multiply both numerator and denominator by secant square x or cosecant square x and proceed. Understood? So now let us understand very briefly by taking an example. So my example. So for making you concept very easy, that's why I am divided every concept in types, and every time I am explaining only one type with example clearly. So go through all videos. In every video I have explained only one type with related example. Okay. So now here in our today's class, let us take this example: dx by 4 minus 5 sin square x. Okay. So now this is of the form integral dx by a plus b sin square x, right? So what I said, when we see such type of questions, then we have to multiply both numerator and denominator either by secant square x or by cosecant square x, right? So we know that sin x and cosecant x are reciprocals of each other. Yes. So what I will do is I will multiply numerator and denominator by cosecant square x now. Okay. So if I multiply numerator and denominator by cosecant square x, then my question becomes like this. Integral of cosecant square x dx by numerator I have multiplied, denominator I should multiply now. So 4 cosecant square x minus 5 sin square x cosecant square x. Okay, so both numerator and denominator I have multiplied by cosecant square x. Okay, so I have said no, sin x and cosecant x are reciprocal, so sin square x and cosecant square x gets cancelled. So this is equal to integral of cosecant square x dx by 4 cosecant square x minus 5. Okay, so this is equal to integral. Now I have to convert cosecant in terms of cot. How to do? We have one identity, that is cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. Right? What is that identity? Cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So I want cosecant square x. So cosecant square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. The same, in place of cosecant square x in the denominator, I am substituting 1 plus cot square x. So numerator cosecant square x as it is by denominator, in the place of cosecant square x, what I should write? 1 plus cot square x. So 4 into 1 plus cot square x minus 5. Okay. So now we need to do substitution. What is that substitution means? We have to take cot x as t. So let cot x is equal to t. Okay. If we take cot x as t, then what is the differentiation of cot x? Minus cosecant square x, right? So minus cosecant square x dx becomes dt. So this implies cosecant square x dx is what? Minus dt, right? So minus integral. So cosecant square x dx is what? Dt by 4 into 1 plus t square minus 5. So this is equal to minus integral of dt by 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 t square minus 5. So this is equal to minus integral dt by, so first you write 4 t square plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Right? Up to here everybody understood now? So from here again we have to substitute, solve the remaining problem. So I hope these 3 steps everybody understood. I am erasing now. So here I will continue now. So this is equal to minus integral of, okay, let me take 1 by 4 outside here. Let me take 4 common. If not, let me explain that also detailed. Dt by, if I take 4 common, then I am left with t square minus, so here 1 by 4. So that 4 gets cancelled 1. Right? So what I will do means, in the next step I will take this 1 by 4 outside. So minus 1 by 4 integral of dt by t square minus 1 by 4, can I write 1 by 2 whole square? Yes, no, why? Because 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Yes. So now I am getting a general formula, that is integration by partial fractions. We have 2 formulas. Integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. That is first formula. If not, integral dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So this is of the second type, right? Integral dt by t square minus a square, right? Means x square minus a square. X square minus a square means x by x minus a by x plus a is there. No, that formula we have to use here. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2a, right? 2 into a value is 1 by 2 log of So x minus a, in the place of x we have t. So t minus a value is 1 by 2 by t plus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. So here 2 gets cancelled. So that is equal to minus 1 by 4 log of. So what is the value of t we have taken here? Cot x. So cot x minus 1 by 2 by cot x plus 1 by 2. Okay. Plus c. So last step, let me simplify and write the answer, final answer now. So here in the top I will write the final answer. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4 log of. Okay, so 2 if I take here LCM, then 2 cot x minus 1 here also, denominator and numerator 2 gets cancelled. See here 2 cot x minus 1 by 2 again divided by 2 cot x plus 1 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Okay. So my answer is minus 1 by 4 log of 2 cot x minus 1 by 2 cot x plus 1 plus c. Understood? So this is our type 1 with a simple example and very important. Okay, important concept for your IIT JEE. So practice each and every problem whatever I explained and try to practice remaining examples also. If you see any examples related to this. So this is my today's topic, integrals of trigonometric functions type 1. So let us continue type 2 in our next class. I hope everyone enjoyed this video and that's all for today. Take care. Bye.